Hi there, hello guys, this is Chan from quickpreview.in and let me show you the product Ready Set Profits whose owner is Jamie Lewis. So now you are watching on the screen, the guy is Jamie Lewis and he is the owner of this product, and basically this product will cost you $17 and inside $17 you will be given the beginning knowledge of affiliate marketing. This is a very affordable product and this is a very suitable product for any newbies. I strongly recommend this product to any newbie. Let me show you what are the stuffs given inside it. The first thing is the passive income blueprint, and inside passive income blueprint the main thing is given the welcome video, next the how the method works, next the method overview, the prepare everything for your done for you funnel. And let me show you for each of the videos there is a button given, a resource button given, get Thrive for $5, and you can also get Thrive for $5 by using the fiverr.com the outsourcing platform, and you can get that Thrive within $5 with tax. Okay, so next thing is the set up your done for you promos for Ready Set Profits. Next thing is insert welcome email and many chat sequence. So many chat is a very good thing to use the messenger marketing. Messenger marketing has more success rate than email marketing. And the next thing is the overview, the powerful traffic software. Inside powerful traffic software, the software is also given. You can download the software from here. You can also check the video that how the software works, and also making solo ads using Facebook, using create your own affiliate promotion, 10x viral campaign, and also how you can get your result, how you can get 10x result, how you can increase your result, that is also discussed. And also the congratulations you made it, and here is what is the next. So inside what is the next, the traffic sources are given. You can see here the free traffic sources and paid traffic source both are given. This should be UDIMI, not UDEMI. Okay, so traffic for me, the medium.com, the mix, the Snapchat, everything is given. Next thing is the content spinner is given. So you can paste any of the contents from internet and you can create it a new content. You can create a new content as if you has written the content. You have written the content and you are the owner of the content, and Google will always prefer the new content. So that is why the content spinner is a very vital tool for anyone who want to earn from online. So content spinner is also given. Some done for you campaigns are given. You can see here the button, click here to download the campaigns. Okay, and also the videos given, the process is totally discussed here, shown here. And from the next, traffic on tap and partner with Jimmy, everything is the upgrades. Okay, so you can see here this opens up a new page. So you can say, or you can think that these are the upgrades. Traffic on tap and partner with Jamie, unlimited download, 10x maximizer, marketplace, vendor edition, guru for hire. So all of those are the upgrades, and once you are convinced with the front end, once you are satisfied with the front end, then you can try the upgrades. I will suggest you that. So get the tool, and I am repeating that this tool is only for the newbies, not for the expert marketers. Okay, so this tool is giving you 180 days no satisfaction money back guarantee, and also you can check out the FAQs about this tool and also the bonuses. Let me show you, reveal you the bonuses. So these are the bonuses now you're watching on the screen that will be delivered to you automatically with the front end. The bonuses are coming from all of the fields, like from every field. I've taken one bonus and I am giving you. You can see here the Warrior Plus, the Zevizu, both are given. The email marketing stuff given, the video sales letter stuff given. So you can see here. Okay, I am not telling a lie. So the vendor bonus is also available, which come with the product by the vendor. By default, it will be coming. And the next thing is the upsell bonus. Inside upsell bonus, if you are convinced with the front end product, if you are satisfied, then you can try the upsell, and for the upsell automatically you will be delivered my upsell bonus. So that will be there will be 400 plus stuffs, and these are the stuffs: software, plugins, loop musics, high quality graphics, doodle character images, miscellaneous, and PLR product. So that's all I want to say. You can click any of the buttons. If you click any of them, you will be sent to the sales page. This is the exact sales page of this tool, and from the sales page you can know more about this tool, and this will help you very much to get the tool. So this is the only way also to get the tool. You have to go through this page, and that's all I'm gonna say. So you can try out, you can check out the description link. You will be sent to this page, and from this page you can click any of the buttons to get the sales page and get the tool. So this is me, Charan Sarkar, now signing out for this video. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye bye.